My name is Ryanne Morris, and I'm a recent graduate from Salisbury University, and my major is in communications with a track in public relations and strategic communications. I'm currently interning for the marketing department, and some of my daily tasks include writing blog posts, as well as looking at our Google Analytics for our monthly performance, and as well as creating email campaigns. Some of the things that I've learned already are content creation along with social media management, in addition to writing. And as far as what I hope to learn are just more aspects of digital marketing. I chose to intern with Avery Hall because of their presence in the Eastern Shore community. In addition to that, I really aligned with the motto of treating people right, not only the first time you meet them, but every time after that as well. My favorite part of being an Avery Hall intern is definitely the environment of the workplace. Coming into here every day, everyone is so welcoming, and just the community that has been built here and the relationship that agents have with their clients. One of the things that I am most proud of that I've accomplished thus far at my internship experience would definitely be my personal growth, as well as my growth as a digital marketing and communications professional, and just being able to immerse myself into my role as an intern and take on each task every day and be able to challenge myself and grow and develop every day. My experience at Avery Hall will allow me to fulfill my aspirations of becoming a marketing and communications professional in the workforce.